Hello everyone. This video is regarding our Durgapur days, that was from March to June, and as you've seen in our last video, we reached Durgapur by road, and this is our house. In this video you can see some of the places we visited in Durgapur as well as our days in our home.
কি দেখছে?
চিন্তা করছে কোথায় যাওয়া যায়,
হ্যাঁ
কোথায় পাওয়া যায়।
This was a plant in our kitchen balcony, and I could see that the birds were so fearless they would make nest in spite of human movement, and every day we found one new egg in the nest. Sunrise and sunset is the most beautiful part here. It's not only because of the view of the sun, it's also because of the varieties of birds that keep chirping all around. Especially our dear friend the nightingale, and also you can see the surrounding area. This is a temple near our house. That's about the surrounding area. This was given to my daughter by my neighbor auntie because it was her birthday. The 2021 birthday was different because we spent it in Durgapur for the first time, all three of us almost. Mine and my daughter's birthday was in Durgapur, but my husband's birthday day we were traveling to Durgapur, almost nearing Durgapur. We got this cake from one of the best bakers called Paramount.
Happy birthday to you, Lakshma. Happy birthday.
We can see here that one person is so workaholic. This is my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, and this is what we had for lunch. And again it is my birthday cake, which was on April. That's it about the birthdays. Here you can see that how they campaign for election, and some clips about Buddy, how he spent his time there. He was really happy to be here because he had plenty of outside view, because we had around 4 balconies, so he would view outside from all angles, and he never troubled us also because he was busy watching the cats and birds, etc. This was the time when my father-in-law was taken to hospital, and you can see Buddy's gesture. See that the cot was too high for him to climb, and he used to be like that. And since there are a lot of mosquitoes, we had to use a mosquito net for him.
You're having
Initially he didn't like. Look at him.
what?
He's so sad. But later on he got so used to it that he enjoyed being inside the net. The moment we used to take the net, he used to go inside.
बजो
our angry young man. Here are some clips of the street foods of Durgapur. This is how they are making rasgulla. Hot rasgulla is ready.
থ্যাংক ইউ গরম গরম রসগোল্লা
হ্যাঁ দাদা বলতে পারি দাদাজি বলি দাদাজি
This is guguni and luchi. This one is the mochar chop, and here you can see varieties of sweets, also samosa and kachori. This is a chicken dragon or dragon chicken. This place is opposite to the Big Bazaar. This mud cup tea gives you a different feeling altogether. This is my husband's school, and I could find one church over there. This is the city center area, and you have lot of eat outs and varieties of things to explore here. And we found one of this place called as A46, which is a microbrewery. The ambience inside is very different, the vintage kind. So finally my cousin was leaving Durgapur, and he was there with us all the while. This bus is from Durgapur to Kolkata. These are AC buses. You will find a similar bus directly to airport also. This is a fish market. Here we are outside a mall called Junction Mall. You can find almost everything here, whether it is eat out or even for shopping. We used to get stuffs from here from an outlet called Spencer's. This biryani is from one of the local shop, and these are some of the homemade preparations: mutton curry, nuggets, sausage, sorry, and biryani. And these are some of the restaurants. This one is one of the best one, Kohinoor. It's well known for the Bengali biryani, which I'm not so fond of, yeah, but the other things were good. This is one more restaurant we saw in city center area, and their paneer preparation was extremely good. This is Buddy playing with this vessel.
Did you start?
Some clips from the barrage area, and that's all I could capture. And this was a hard time because of the second wave of COVID everywhere, and my in-laws were also affected, and we had to prolong our stay, and that was the reason for the delay of the road trip videos, and that's how it was. And finally we decided to come back when things settled, so we didn't plan to come by road, so we sent our car through car transport. So first we went to Kolkata and handed over our car over there. Then we took a journey through flight, and this was Buddy's first flight journey. So all the requirements, we had taken all information about pet traveling with pet, and the Air India flight attendants were very cooperative and very helpful. So we had a pleasant flight journey. So we were holding Buddy for quite a long time so that he wouldn't be missing us for a longer duration. So when it was time up, we just handed over him to the authority, and then we collected him on reaching Bangalore. So this is the Bangalore airport. On reaching home, we were dead tired, so we ordered food from the Khichdi house, and that's it. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe and like the video to give me a boost to make more videos. Thank you for your cooperation.